Welcome back to PDSN, your home for sovereign tech breakdowns without corporate fluff. Today we're talking about something that's quietly hitting the entire industry, Micron's memory shortage. If you've noticed RAM prices creeping up, SSD getting weirdly expensive, or AI hardware staying locked behind insane price tags, this is why. Micron didn't just mess up. The shortage is the result of 5 different industry fires all burning at the same time. Let's break it down. First big factor, AI demand, specifically HBM, high bandwidth memory. HBM is a secret sauce behind NVIDIA's H100, H200, B200, AMD's M1 300, and Intel's Gaudi 3. Every AI accelerator needs stacks of HBM, and each stack is insanely hard to produce. Demand just rises and detonating. NVIDIA alone consuming more HBM than the entire industry produced in 2023. Micron, Samsung, SK Hynix are all scrambling to keep up. HBM isn't just like normal DRAM, it's stacked vertically, connected with TSV, tiny vertical wires. And if one layer has a defect, the entire stack is garbage. Micron HBM3E yields good, but scaling volume is brutal. Every percentage point of a yield is a loss of millions of dollars gone. This bottleneck for AI hardware right now. Micron also transitioned DRAM production to newer nodes, 1B and 1TY. Whenever the fab switches nodes, output dips. It's like renovating a factory while still trying to run it. So while HBM demand skyrockets, DRAM output is temporarily lower. Perfect storm. Supply chain choke points. Even in 2026, we're still dealing with substrate storage, packaging, bottlenecks, testing capacity limits, slow equipment load times. HBM package especially painful. It requires advanced CoWoS like processes, and there are only a handful of facilities worldwide that can do it. Big players, NVIDIA, Microsoft, Amazon, Tesla, are locking in multi-year contracts for memory supply. This means Micron's output is spoken for before it even leaves the fab. The open market gets scraps. This is why consumer RAM and SSD prices creep up, even through the shortage, even though the shortage is technically enterprise. Here's where it hits regular people. DDR5 prices rise, NVMe SSD prices rise, GPU prices stay inflated because HBM is the bottleneck for the AI card. Even if you're not buying AI hardware, you're paying for the shortage indirectly. How long will the shortage last? Realistically, HBM shortages through late 2026. DRAM tightness easing in 2027. NAND most stable. Micron expanding capacity, but packaging is the choke point. For sovereign tech users, Linux, open hardware, privacy-focused setups, this shortage matters because hardware gets more expensive Older hardware stays in circulation longer, repair culture becomes more important. Cloud AI becomes even more centralized. When memory is scarce, big companies hoard it. That pushes independent creators and small businesses further from cutting edge. Micron storage isn't a single failure, it's a pileup of industry factory hitting all at once. AI demand yields issue fab transitions, supply chain bottlenecks, and OEM hoarding all collide. This is one of those stories where the real impact isn't obvious until you zoom out, and that's what we are here to do. Like, follow, and subscribe. We'll bring you more good news. See you then.